Want to know how to search emails or contacts or labels in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it in just under a minute and interact with it as well, so you can just simply get the hang of it. So first things first, just simply to head towards app.shortwave.com. Just simply open up your website and the application, and you should be under this interface, and it should be on the inbox by default, and on top you should be seeing this source bar right here, just simply like that. And here under the source bar you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. So the onward sent, draft, etc. Just by selecting this, quick selecting it, and this is way better than just your normal Gmail. So you can just simply see labels as well, about, so you can search up specific topic as well, and you can just simply sort it up, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos of Shortwave. Have a good day and see you on the next one.